Look at the little curls.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
I am going to do some edges and a ponytail today. Stay tuned. So first and foremost, I'm going to hydrate my hair. This stuff is the ultimate hydration. When I tell you, you spray this stuff in your hair overnight, your hair will be so hydrated the next day. So I'm going to go in with my tinted fiber edge control in the color dark brown, and this has been one of my product faves. I like to put this on my hair to just give it some extra coverage. I'm gonna go ahead and first lay me some baby hairs down. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add this cute little ponytail here. Another drawstring ponytail. You guys know I love my drawstring ponytails. You know, I'm going in with my Kiss Quick Cover Gray Root Touch-Up Stick. And I'm just gonna fill in these edges. This is my worst side. I'm gonna mold it down for about 15 minutes. One thing I like about this quick cover stick is that it is blendable, and I can literally just like comb it and brush it, but I'm going to add a little bit more, like right up in here. You have to play with it and twerk it to your hair. You don't want this to transfer. Just go ahead and take some hairspray and spray it down when you mold it down, and you will get a full day without transfer. If it rains, it's not gonna slide down your face or anything like that. It is so cute and adorable. Started out with no edges, now I have some edges. Look at the little curls. It's cute. What you think? Traction Alopecia Wear. Product is thebomb.com. You know it. You already know. Yes, yes, this is my go-to product. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.